Welcome to our channel. Dream what you dare to dream. Go where you want to go. Be what you want to be. Shooting for the top will bring out the best that's in you. We can help others in the world more by making the most of ourselves than in any other way. The strangest secret in the world is that you become what you think about. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. The picture you have of yourself, your self-esteem, will have a profound effect on the way you see the world and the way your world sees you. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Each of us must live off the fruit of his thoughts in the future, because what you think today and tomorrow, next month and next year, will mold your life and determine your future. You are guided by your mind. We are all self-made, but only the successful will admit it. Don't wait for change, you change. We must radiate success before it will come to us. We must first become mentally, from an attitude standpoint, the people we wish to become. All you have to do is hold your goal before you, and everything else will take care of itself. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you'll be doing when you've reached your goal. Don't concern yourself too much with how you are going to achieve your goal. Leave that completely to a power greater than yourself. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord and at the right time. Most people tiptoe their way through life, hoping they make it safely to death. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. We will receive not what we idly wish for, but what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. You can predict a person's future and divine his bank balance if you know two things: the books he reads and the people he associates with. To achieve happiness, we should make certain that we are never without an important goal. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Every great accomplishment of mankind has been preceded by an extended period, often over many years, of concentrated effort. The key that unlocks energy is desire. Instead of competing, all we have to do is create. Everything begins with an idea. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. A great attitude is not the result of success. Success is the result of a great attitude. By being persistent, you're demonstrating faith. Persistence is simply another word for faith. If you didn't have faith, you'd never persist. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Luck is when preparedness meets opportunity. Achievement requires more than a vision. It takes courage, resolve, and tenacity. All you have got to do is plant that seed in your mind, care for it, work steadily toward your goal, and it will become a reality. Open your ears before you open your mouth. It may surprise your eyes. Watch what everyone else does, do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. Don't catch the bad and infectious attitudes of others. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. With every adversity, there is an equal or greater gift. Keep looking for the gift. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Thanks for watching. Which quote did you enjoy the most? Please share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.